Hey guys, it is C with Atlantic Knife, and we're going to do a review today of the Boker Defender. Boker's come out with a lot of new knives this week, so we're going to cover a bunch of them. This one is designed by Boris Manasharov, and we'll get to it. Alright, first we'll start off with basic specs. This is a little smaller than the other Bokers. This one's about 7.6 inches. It is 3.2 inch blade. Lightweight at about 4.6 ounces. Has a D2 stone washed blade and G10 handles over stainless steel scales. This knife is a liner lock. It's obviously a flipper with a thumb stud. The blade is stone wash and uncoated. Has jimping on top of the blade for better control while cutting. A deep carry, reversible pocket clip, which keeps the knife in a tip-up position when you're carrying it. A glass break with lanyard hole. Now, with all the specs basically being covered, it has ball bearing pivot, so it's a smooth, unassisted flipper. Let's go ahead and show you how this thing cuts. We'll start off with the paracord. As you can see, it cut that very cleanly. We'll bring over some crafting material. This is referred to as jute. We'll show it cutting on the top half of the blade, cutting on the bottom half of the blade. We'll bring in some more difficult crafting material. I like to use crafting materials because they are, one, readily available, and two, I'm always asked to cut them. So I'm always taking out a pocket knife and cutting them from people who ask me. So this is the Boker Defender. It retails at $122, but I believe we have it at AtlanticKnife.com for right around, I think it's $92. For you guys watching on IGTV, make sure if you like what you see, you like this post and follow us at Atlantic Knife. If you're watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We do a weekly show that is not only informative, but humorous. Lasts about anywhere from 13 to 18 minutes and comes out every Friday night. And on that note, we'll go ahead and end this by saying I am C with Atlantic Knife, and I am signing off.